Go day 1938. The oldest continuous holding licensed pub in the Northern Territory. They already started like 1880, but they sold liquor without licensing. But after 1939, they hold the license until now. Welcome in Mataranaka, the Bitter Springs. Welcome to Litchfield National Park. First stop, the termite mounds. Back there, behind the car park, there's two massive mounds. That's kind of impressive because there's so tiny little termites, and the mounds reach up to like 5 meters. Next up, a Bule rock hall, and hopefully we can swim. So, the Florence Falls. We've been on the bottom, super crowded, super busy, but so beautiful waterfall to swim in. So we are at stop number 4, the Tolman Falls. We are on the way to spot number 5, a waterfall again, and the Tiaba Falls. It's 40 minutes with return, so let's check it out. Welcome to spot number 6, the Wangai Falls. The reason why the Wangai Falls are closed because a week ago they spotted a Salt Lake crocodile, and that's Salt Lake crocodile trap. New day, but same national park. We're still here in Litchfield National Park, and today we want to see the cascades. I'm on Darwin. The sun is setting, so it's time for the Mineral Beach Sunset Market. That's every Thursday and Sunday. Good day. I'm at work because after I arrived in Darwin, I was looking for a job to finish my 88 days to extend my visa. My job is like when somewhere's an event happening, I build up the stages, everything around, furniture, bring it back after the event. And so I was kind of busy to work. The next video would be like my weekend trips to everything around Darwin. Kakadu National Park, Dundee Beach, Gunpoint, East Point, everything around Darwin. So see ya in the next video.